Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how we make playlist on YouTube. Before start, please subscribe our channel. A playlist is a group of videos created by you or someone else on YouTube. Whether you are a YouTube viewer or creator, it's a way to organize videos with similar characteristics. If you've created any music playlists in the past, it's a concept you'll be familiar with. We can make playlist on YouTube using two ways. First one is directly from playlist menu. And the second one is while we are uploading the video. Let's explore the first one. Just click on Playlists tab on the left side menu. You'll find all your playlists.